What's going on? On today's event, we're gonna do an unboxing, right? So for my 33rd 3-3 birthday, I kind of went a little overboard. You know what I'm saying? I had a good ass time, went out of the world, when it did this, that, and the third. And I bought something I ain't never really thought I'd buy. So we're gonna do an unboxing, right? So I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna go through everything. It ain't gonna be that long, but you know what I'm saying? You only turn 33 once in a lifetime. And I'm at the highest chilling. I'm sick right now. So I think I'll do an unboxing. So stay tuned. Here we go. Let's get it. So some of y'all was like, yo, what's in that green? You scared me, Big Drake. But I was like, yo, what's up? Hey, bro, it's me. What's up, boy? So it's like, what's in the box? What's in the green box? You sure I don't got to show Big Drake from Big Drake, boy, I ain't letting your ass out. You always telling some shit. What's in the box? I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Little son. A little razzle dazzle. That's black. You feel me? But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get something out the refrigerator. Just the refrigerator. Ain't nothing in the refrigerator. But yeah, let's go. I'm gonna head on back to this garage. You had to go check on Big Drake. Make sure he good. But let's get it. Here we go. We go boop, boop, beep, beep, boop, boop. Nah, it's already unlocked. Oh shit. I unlocked myself. Nah, yeah, I'm good. Back out here. Let's get it. So boom, let's get it. So we got this green Gucci box, boy. Hey, boy, I got some Gucci. Good Gucci. These ain't got that Gucci, but I got that good Gucci. But anyway, so when you get your Gucci box, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Your boy only turned 30. I ain't go like it was expensive though. I ain't even gonna cap now. But you know what I'm saying? I had to get it just cause shit. Anyway, first thing you'll get your letter of authenticity. Yep. And it's gonna say, shit, thank you for shopping with us, Big Rud. Each item has been skillfully designed and made using the highest quality materials by Italian artisan. Got what that say? So boom. Then you also get this little you know what I'm saying, like the bag for the Gucci bag. So basically, you buy one bag. Well, you really buy two bags. So you get this Gucci bag, right? And then you get whatever's in this box to put inside the Gucci bag. So you know what I'm saying. Okay. All right. Nice little box. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We gonna spin it around. You know, it got like that gator skin. The box real texturized. It's real nice. Smell good. You know what I'm saying? It tastes like box, but shit, it's a Gucci box though. You feel me? I got that goddamn Gucci, boy. Let's go over there. Y'all ready? Let's open this bit. Let's open this. Before we open it though, like, so when you go to the Gucci store, man, like that shit, it's an experience by itself. So you know, I walk in Florida all day, books, hat on. You feel me? I'm just shit. I'm me all day, Florida. You feel me? So I walk in and they was like, "Hey, how are you?" I'm like, "Shit." So they came over there. They got the little tray with some water. It's like, you want some water? And I'm like, nah, that water probably about $1,000 a sip. And so I like, nah, I'm good. It's like, you sure? I'm like, absolutely. So then they walk around. I see other people just grabbing and drinking. And I'm like, shit, I'm gonna get me some of that water. Well, I went and got the water once I realized I had to pay for it, right? Because, hey, shit, you in the Gucci store. I ain't never done no shit like that. So you open the bottle. Well, I open the bottle and I taste that water. But that water tastes, it was so good. You feel me? So I'm drinking the water. I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I walk around. I got my pinky on, walk around the store. And then, when they come out, say you looking at something like that, whatever it may be. You know, these white gloves on. So I'm like, ooh, these big clean. So, you know what I'm saying? So, he pulled whatever you want. Like, oh, I want to see that. He's like, okay, cool. They pull it out, put the gloves on. And then they hand it to you. But they don't hand you gloves. So I was like, I'm looking at the dude and he's like, oh, no, go ahead. So I'm like, cool, I pick it up. I'm like, oh, shit, nigga ain't that touch no Gucci, you feel me? But I ain't getting nothing that day, right? I put that bit back. I see that price tag. I'm like, whoa. God. So I put it back. I still dropped my water though. I took that bit too. Boom. I'm drink. So I'm walking around. I'm just sightseeing. You know, they got the rolly stove over there. I'm like, shit, nigga do got on a rolly though, you feel me? But I ain't get the rolly. That bit was hot too. So I walk around, they had a Hermes, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna see what these hoes be talking about them Hermes bad. I'm like, them Hermes bad, they them bit hot. So anyway, you know, I check out the Hermes bag, I take a picture. I'm like, nah, boy, I can't drop no 10 bands on no bag. You feel me? Like, I need a bag for the bag. I can't be, you know, give me some time. So anyway, I come back around and I just fell in love with this Gucci store. I like, damn, man. So anyway, I keep going, and then I stopped by the LV. So, you know, by this time, I'm conditioned on what the expectation is when you walk into these 5-star stores. So I walk in with the Louis store, and I really wasn't feeling the Louis like that, but the Louis they stepped the game up. So I walked into the Louis store. You know what I'm saying? I'm conditioned. I know what to expect. So I walk in there, same as before, head out. You know, Bucks hat on, you already know. Let them know, bitch, I'm from Florida, and I'm off. He like, how you doing? I'm like, oh, I'm handy dandy, I'm good. He was like, can I get you anything? I'm like, absolutely. I'll take some of that water. So he smiles, I'm like, so he go back, get the water, and sure enough, it is just as crisp and the tears from the goddamn angel eyes, it was refreshing. He was like, can I get you anything else? And that's when he fucked up. I'm like, well, what else you got? He was like, well, we got this, that, and the third. I was like, well, I'll take that. So he comes back with this fresh bottle of champagne, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, he pulls it. I'm like, go ahead, top that bit out. He top it out for me, you know what I'm saying? Hey, so I'm walking around the LV store. With some champagne. I finished my champagne, you know, like, I appreciate it, bro, you know what I'm saying, but I ain't on it, you feel me? So I go back to the dang on Gucci store. This what we are. We're gonna do the unboxing of the goddamn on Gucci. So Gucci, Coochie, gotta get the Gucci, gotta get the Gucci, gotta get the Gucci. Look at this box though, boy, this box clean. All right, here we go. So we're gonna take this, right? I should put some gloves on. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Got that one glove. You know what I'm saying? I gotta put the glove on. Yeah. Here we go. All right, here we go. Gotta put the gloves on. Let's get it. We're gonna pull this string right here. So you ain't got a Gucci box. I'm gonna show you how to open a Gucci box. This is how you do it. Pull. And then like that, you feel me? Then you know what I'm saying. Ooh, we take that bit out. That bit's so elegant. And then you either you can push it this way, or you can't. Push it. You can't even push it that way. Oh, my bad. In my fur Gucci box. You feel me? I don't know how to open it, bit. Here we go. But we gonna open it together. So it's a little lip right here. You feel me? So you gonna put that bit up just like that. Ooh. Smell like Italy. Just like Italy. I ain't never been, but I can only imagine what Italy smell like. It smell real good. I'm a little stocked up too. And so then, we're gonna show you real bad. You feel me? Got that little piece of tape. I'm gonna take that little. You don't want to rip the bag. This right here. You don't want to rip that. You gotta keep it real nice. Don't forget your gloves. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh well. Real surgical. You gotta take your time. Be real methodical. Real surgical with this one. You don't wanna mess it up. You know, you gotta lay that bit down like that, real nice and slow. Okay, well, we're gonna bring it around. You're gonna take these two fingers. These two, just like that. You see what I did? Watch again. Now I did just like that. You see, I grabbed and then I flattened it out. Just keep it straight. Woo! Boy, you get another Gucci. You get a oh man. So then it's gonna look like that. Get your gloves, stretch. You gotta go in gently from the sides. It's a Gucci bag, boy. It's a Gucci bag. You gotta put it out methodically. All right, so you're gonna hold it just like that. Don't forget your cheddar. Make sure your cheddar on back out from you being failed. And then you remember that other bag I told you about, the other Gucci bag? You're gonna lay that flat on the table, then you're gonna sit the other Gucci bag that's in the bag, you're gonna sit that over there like that. Then you're gonna take your paper, roll that bit up there like that. You're gonna take the other end, roll that bit up there like that. 2 fingers, these all you need. Take the 2 fingers, you're gonna grab it in that box. And then don't forget magnets right here, so it's going. You heard that? Did y'all hear that snap? Listen. Open this. Listen for that snap. This one you know it's secured. Boom, secured. Then get your workstation. You're gonna get your authenticity letter. Pull that over there. Then pull your Gucci bag. You're gonna put the bag with the Gucci bag, and then you're gonna put the Gucci bag in the bag on top of that bag to make sure it got plenty of bag. Now the next part, you're gonna need some skill, because this right here is kind of like it's Gucci-fied. You're gonna take that bit. Just like that. You're gonna pull gently. Don't be pulling too hard. Gently. Ooh. Ooh. Another is, you know, flip that bit. Gotta be like that. Now, we're gonna show. Here we go. Ooh, boy, I got that OG Gucci bag, boy. OG. The OG Gucci bag, boy. You feel me? Got another little whatever, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? We got the OG Gucci. This is the messenger bag. I ain't got shit to say. I ain't even got a message, but I got the messenger bag. You gonna pull, and this spool is real nice. You gonna pull all that Premier paper. We're gonna recycle that. We're gonna get some money off that paper. It's Gucci paper. We're gonna recycle that Gucci paper. Y'all. So it's gonna come with three rolls of Gucci paper. Oh, wipe my ass with that shit. I ain't never wipe my ass with no Gucci paper shit. I got the Gucci bag, you feel me? I'm trying to figure out like what I can put that in there. That ain't a bag, you know what I'm saying? Stick that in there. Oh shit, maybe I may be feeling the Springfield. May put the Springfield, you know what I'm saying? Put the Springfield. You know what I'm saying? I may have to keep the old Glocky. Can't go wrong with the Glock in the Gucci bag. But shit, we see though. But yeah, man, that's what it is. We got the goddamn Gucci bag, man. Had to do that unboxing. Y'all kept asking some shit. We go ahead and put it out there like that. We in there though. We in there. OG Gucci bag. Well, so that bag ranges between $1,200 and $1,500 based off the state taxes. Depending on your state taxes, the price may go up, may go down. But if you go overseas, buy that bag or any other bag or anything else you may see, it's going to be cheaper because the taxes are already included in the purchase price. So the price you see is the price you pay. But get this, because you are a foreigner, you hold a U.S. passport going into a foreign nation, you rate the VAX tax. The VAX tax is 15 to 20% off any item that you purchase. Now, back in the day, it was a certain purchase amount, but now they got rid of that. No matter if you spend 5, 10, whatever many dollars, you only get 15 to 20% back off that purchase price. The process is really simple. You know, you take your receipts, fill out maybe 1 or 2 forms, and on the spot, they're going to give you back that refund in cash, or they're going to have that money deposited into your bank institution at your discretion. So it is inherently cheaper to go overseas to buy your product. So I definitely suggest you do it. And then when you come back through customs, depending on the amount that you spend, you don't have to declare anything, you know. I want to say it's like 10 bands or something like that. So anything like that, you don't got to declare. So go see them sites. Bring those Google images to life.